So they speak, one gopi speaks to one tree and to another. So we examine the Sanskrit of this verse. It just says, Drista Kachidashvata. They see Drista, they see Dristi, they see the Ashwa tree, the people tree, and the plexion Yagaroda and Mana. So they're saying, what they're saying, the first line, they're just saying, oh trees, you see us? We see you. Have you seen Krishna? Do you understand? And then the second line, they say, Pleksha Nyagroda no Manaha. Do you understand our minds? And then the third line, they say, Nanda Suno Gato Ritva. Gato Ritva. Ritva means our hearts. Means stealing. He's stolen, also means, really means heart also. So Krishna stole her heart and then he ran away. This seems very cold. Some person steals your heart and then disappears. Hey, wait a minute. Come back with my heart. So this is, of course, a figure of speech, but they feel as if they've lost their hearts, which means their very lives. And they're remembering that last moment with Krishna. And that's good. We want to remember our last moment. At our last moments, the gopis are remembering their last moments together with Krishna, smiling eyes and smiling happy hasa, prema hasa, smiling face. We hope to remember Krishna at the last moments of our lives. Sada yam yam lapi smran bhavam. Whatever you remember during the time of life, that's where your mind will go at the time of death. That's why the gurus and acharyas are always telling everyone, remember Krishna, think of Krishna, think of Krishna. Twice in Gita, 9th chapter and 18th chapter, Krishna is teaching devotees, remember me, remember me, remember me. Man mana bhavamad bhakto madhyaji mam namastru mame vaishasi satyam te pratijane priyosime. In chapter 9, verse 34 and 1865 or so, he's saying this because this is the ultimate teaching of Krishna, Bhagavan, and all the representatives of Bhagavan. They say, always remember Krishna. Do whatever it takes to remember Krishna. That's really what we find in the larger context of Gaudiya Sampradaya, where everyone's engaged in their individual lives and doing bhajan as much as they can, or some are doing full-time bhajan. This is the instruction. Remember Krishna, remember Krishna. Oh Gurudev, oh Maharaj, oh Babaji Maharaj, what seva can I do for you? Remember Krishna, remember Krishna, remember Krishna. Which means they'll say, do smaran. Smaran means remember, meditate. They don't say much else about anything else.